How to sign up and create a Toptal account. First of all, open your web browser and go to toptal.com. Once you are on the home page, click on the Apply as a Talent button at the top right corner. This will take you to the sign up page where you can start your application process. Next, select what you are applying as from the given options. Then enter your full name, email address and create a secure password. You can also sign up using your LinkedIn account for faster verification. After filling in your details, click the Apply to Join Toptal button to continue. Once your account is created, Toptal will ask for additional information such as your location, city, citizenship, English proficiency, and your reason for applying to the platform. After filling in all the details, click Continue. Next, provide your professional experience including years of experience, job interest, hourly rate, job commitment, and more. Be sure to complete this section carefully as it helps Toptal match you with the right opportunities. After that, you will be asked to upload your profile photo and resume to showcase your past work. Once everything is filled out, click the Finish button and then Send Application. Finally, confirm your email address by opening your email inbox and clicking the verification link sent by Toptal. Within one business day, your application will be reviewed, and once approved, you can start applying for projects and build your professional reputation within Toptal's elite community. Now you know how to sign up and create a Toptal account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.